If you're seeing this Steam E502L3 error and getting that something went wrong message, don't panic. Here's how to fix it. First of all, make sure Steam is fully closed. You can do this by right-clicking the Steam icon in the taskbar and selecting Close All Windows. Next, restart your computer to clear any temporary issues that might be causing the error. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and, if possible, switch between Wi-Fi and wired connection to see if that helps. Now, try clearing the Steam download cache. Open the Steam app, then tap on the Steam at the top left corner. After that, go into Settings. Now, from here, click on Downloads, then click on Clear Cache beside Clear Download Cache. After that, log back into Steam account. If the error persists, check if Steam servers are down by visiting Steam status websites or the Steam Twitter account. Sometimes it's not on your end. Finally, if nothing works, try reinstalling Steam. Back up your games first, uninstall Steam, and then reinstall the latest version from the official website. And that's all. Following these steps should fix the E502L3 error on Steam. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.